So welcome back to my next video of the build of my racing Buggy Sand Scorcher. So now today I'm going to put the stickers on it and also the light on the front and the little ones, and yeah, after that I'm going to do the stickers, and then I will do all the rest, also for the clips inside. The clips, they are here, and also the mirrors and all the other stuff you will see in this video they are gonna do, and that's gonna be the last video of the build of the racing Buggy Sand Scorcher from Tamiya. So enjoy the video and don't forget to like, to share and to comment if you're new, subscribe and notification bell, and let's begin on this body. So that's it for the stickers. So now I'm going to put the windows in. So guys, so you can see I did off camera chrome on the door, on the side and on the windows. That was not easy at all, but it's looked nice. I don't want to have the black color now. Also I did the blinkers orange, so because I forgot to do it in orange. So now I'm going to put windows wipers, I think you call that. I'm going to put it on it, and after that I will glue it. Going to try to glue it. And there is too much glue, I see. To try something. Hopla. I don't know if you can see it, but so you can take the glue. There is too much on it. Now also we got these little rubber O-rings, and we need that to put it on the mirrors inside. So with the mirrors on it, it's pretty nice. So I like it much. Pretty nice. So now what I have to do is the number plate and the lights. So I spray a little bit orange on the sticker shield where there's not sticker, and then with a pencil I'm going to paint the orange that I need. I have to do three times, but so guys, I did the rear lights. Look pretty good, pretty nice. I'm glad with it. So what I did is simply I used this white, orange and the red. Now I'm going to do the rear number plate, so I'm going to glue it on it, and then I think I'm done with it. And almost I forgot the driver in the car, so I put him in now, and it's look pretty sick. I like it. Very nice. Buggy. Wow. So this is the end of this video. I want to say thank you everyone for watching all the series built from this Tamiya buggy, and also I want to say thank you to RC for this amazing gift. I really appreciate that, and I'm gonna have much fun with this one. Also there comes another video, a run video of it soon, So I gone to begins to the other gift that I got from RCL, the Kyosho, the Rampage Pro. Stay tuned for that. I will gonna do it with my son. Thank you for watching RC VHX 22. I really appreciate that. Don't forget the likes and subscribe and comments. Bye. Peace.